Good day, guys. What's happening? It's your boy Ernest Mampana here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Now, I welcome you to the second episode of the Market Weekly Review. So basically what we're doing is that every week we are trading, of course, and then on Friday or Saturday I will upload a video for me to document whatever that I do on the market. We managed to take trades this week again, and I will show you those trades. Just stay tuned.
Okay. A guy but I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did.
We getting money, don't care about what they on.
Alright guys, here we are back again with a weekly review. So this is GBP USD. Remember, this is the pair that we analyzed last week, so you can check the video. So yeah, this is what we had, and we anticipated the move to the downside up until on this red line, because on a daily time frame that red line was so important. Let's switch to daily time frame. So as you can see there, that red line, it was very important. So we saw that on a daily time frame, we saw that the market just broke out and then it's coming down to retest at this red line right here and then continue going up. Or we can have another scenario where of which the market might still break here and then come to retest at this place. But then our opportunities was to the upside, as we strongly believe that the market will come and retest at this level right there and then shoot back up. Now let's switch back to 1 hour time frame. So here we are on an hour time frame. We identified our zones there. You can check the analysis as to how I did the zones, everything. So we anticipated a move to the downside to come and hit here, of which it will retest and then shoot back up. This is GBP USD. Now let's see what really happened. So there we are. At this point the market was failing to actually come down right here, so we were patiently waiting, and I saw this, like the market is kind of creating something like this. So I changed that and then we kept on waiting. Let's see. So finally we are shooting down. But we are still, remember, we are still expecting the market to come at this place, though it was tempting at this place to take trades to the upside. But then I treated this as like maybe it might come to retest at this level again and then still shoot down. So let's see. Let me just, as you can see guys, it did came, and that was some sort of a retest in a way. So let's go again. Finally we broke out, and now we are looking for entries. As you can see, this pair is now close to where we were targeting our entry. Let's see. Okay, we did hit there and then we came back. Now our entry has been triggered. We've been shooting up, and at this point right here I anticipated a head and shoulder right there. So I'm just going to show you the inverse head and shoulder that I saw. If that's the case, then I will re-enter again right here. Remember, I entered somewhere right here. I will re-enter again right here. My entries are confirmed on 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. So let's see. Oh, it's coming down. Finally our entry there as head and shoulder. Now we have the right shoulder. We enter again, and let's see. What a successful trade. So this is what happened on GBP USD. Now let's move on to another pair. The other pair that we analyzed was NES 100 on an hour time frame. As you can see on the screenshot and even on the video that you can check the analysis, we had this type of structure. Let me just replay once again. I think Nasdaq was somewhere right here when we do our analysis, and we anticipated a move to the downside before we can go up. If the market do come down, going to enter here and then go up. However, if the market doesn't go there, then we will enter right here and then continue going up. Let's see what happened. Now we saw this kind of breakout, and then we went in. You can see right there it came down and then went back up again. Remember, this is Nasdaq. I keep on taking my profits, small profits that I can, but then the overall direction is to the upside. So let's see. The market went down, still ranging at that level, and finally we are going up. We are still going up. At this point I was having some position opened, and we're still going up. It did create a minor correction there, and we are still going up, still going up. We saw that now it broke this, of which we on the live session we actually said this should be our first target. Now we just hit our first target. We are aiming for that target right there. Now we shot up. Now at this point right here, you can see we are almost like 80% done. So I saw a beautiful rejection on 15 minutes time frame, and I even sent the message in the group that Nasdaq might drop, so we close profits, and then they did. Those who did, and I personally did that. I personally closed my profits, and then I let the market run. So I started seeing like this drop right there. However, we went out with 80%, 90, 85, something like that. So yeah, it was a very rewarding trade, as you can see on the screenshots right there on the screen. So it was very rewarding trade. Now let's switch to GBP JPY, which is the last pair that we did as a bonus. I think we caught GBP JPY at this point. Not at this point, but at this point. I think we caught GBP JPY at this point, and we were anticipating that this might shoot down. This level was not there, so we anticipated that this might shoot down to here, and then if it gets here, then we might go up, or it might even break to come and retest at this point right here and then shoot back up. So once the market opened, I realized that I missed this zone right here, of which it was very a sensitive zone as well. So let's see how it played out. This is what happened, and we had nothing to do at this point right there. So we were just waiting, and the market went up, and then I anticipated something like a double top there to shoot back down again, maybe to come and retest at these zones again once, and then to shoot back up. So let's see. So we can see that the price failed to cross here, and it was already too late. I even sent the message in the group that we have missed an entry. Now, as I was observing this trade, I started to see that okay, I did miss the entry there. However, I think it saved me, because look what happened. The market shot down, and at this point I was excited to get in somewhere right here. So it did shut down like this, triggered my entry, and then we went up. This was a trade that never went to loss. went up like nobody's business. We went up. As you can see, there we are. We just hit TP somewhere right there, as you can see right there. So we did hit our TP right here. So yeah, this was the second episode of weekly review, man. This is what we do in the Telegram group. So if you're not in the Telegram group, then you're missing out. So yeah, it's your boy Ernest Mampana. Thank you so much for choosing this video, and if you've made it up until this very end, be sure you hit that like button, and I assume that you have already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, then I think you should do that.